Nicole Risher. I work in the pharmacology profiling group. There's two different sides. There's one side that's in vitro and one side that is in vivo, and I'm on the in vivo side of the pharmacology group. I love the fact that every single thing that you do can possibly change someone's life. From the 10 microliters you're pipetting into a test tube can possibly be the cure for one major disease one day. And that's the one joy of doing research. My one goal was I had an aunt who had cancer, and from that point, I didn't want to go to medical school because I just didn't have the motivation to go to medical school to be a doctor. But I figured I can do a lot more justice by working in research. I think my skills would have been a lot more useful there. It was my senior year in college, actually. I didn't know exactly what I was going to do after college because I knew I wasn't going into vet school. So I started sending my resume out, and I was recruited by Novartis to work in the lab just as, a hands-on person working side by side with one of the investigators. And because I didn't know anything about what I was doing, they taught me everything, and that's what made me want to really do projects on my own, do research on my own, and that's what turned me into the scientist I am today. One of the main skills is you have to be able to organize stuff. You're working on 7 different projects, and you also have to be able to multitask. If you don't have good multitasking skills, it's really hard to work in the job that I'm in. Multitasking and organization is a major part of what I do. So, if you want to work in the pharmacology industry or group, you have to be able to multitask. Interacting with everyone. Like I said before, I didn't expect to be part of every group at the company, but literally we're part of every group. And you get to find out different things from everyone, from the clinical people to the non-clinical people to, you have your different projects that you work on. You get to interact with all of them, as opposed to some other people that work in other labs. They may only talk to the people that's in their group, the people that's on their project. I talk to everyone in every project. So I like that a lot. Never be limited by just exactly what's in front of you. Just look at your options, take a look at the big picture. You're not limited by just what's there in front of you. You have a lot of different options. You have a lot of different people that may steer you in different ways. Never be limited by what's in front of your face. So that's one of the main things my mom always told me. So you don't have to do what's right in front of you. Check what else is out there. So, basically, it's just a matter of, for anyone who's looking to get into this industry, you really have to find one little niche that you're good at. And if you find something that you're good at, it's all uphill from there. It's nothing like making a difference in someone's life or some project that you're working on. You may have a small effect on everyone's project. It's just unbelievable.